Good morning, TikTok. Welcome to my live. If you guys just followed me on Instagram, welcome to my channel here and also on my YouTube channel. We're finna get into some makeup. You guys' favorite thing you guys love by me. If you haven't already, please tap on that screen, share this live, share my content to whoever you know. And we're finna get into the video. Hey, good morning, welcome to my live, everybody. Alright, so we're finna go on and get into it. I forgot what I used. Oh, yes, I do. I remember what I used. I keep forgetting. I'm going to use my Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use two in today's video. I'm going to use my color Orange. Hi, Timothy. And I'm going to, oh, you know what? I forgot to do my eyebrows. I'm sorry. Let me stop moving too fast. I'm going to use my Nicka K07. This is the Acorn. I'm going to go underneath my eyebrows. And come down. So if you don't know how to arch your eyebrows, I would suggest just leave them and not just put some concealer underneath. And I'm just going to blend it in with my blending sponge. And then I'm going to go back in with my angle brush to make sure that all of the concealer underneath my brow is blended in correctly. So I just do that. Take your time. Go around. I had to learn how to do this myself. I used to get my eyebrows arched. I used to get them threaded. I think when I got them threaded, they messed them up. So I said, you know what? I'm going to just start doing my eyebrows myself. So I just got tired of asking people to do them and then they mess them up. So, hi, Ebony. How are you? How are you feeling? You feeling better? Thank you. All I did was I used my eyeshadow palette. This is the I Envy brand. You can go onto their site, ivyusa.com. And I used the color dark brown, which is this one here. I just used it for my brows, and I just applied some concealer, and I just kept it very simple. That's good, Ebony. Good. I'm glad you got you some rest. You enjoyed your Memorial Day weekend too? Alright, so now we're going to go in. Definitely will have to try. You will love it. I'm going to go in with my Draw Me Rainbow eyeshadow palette, which is you guys' ultimate favorite colors. I'm going to use the color Orange. It's called Healing, and I'm going to apply it here towards the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going like in a circular motion of my eye. So I'm just going like in a circular motion. Okay, Ebony. Have a wonderful day. I know I'm getting ready to go to work too. hate that I had to go, but you know, we all got to make some money. But I will definitely see you later. Have a great and wonderful day. Then I'm going to go back in with my nude makeup palette. I'm going to use the color Top Secret. It's like a reddish brown color. And I'm going to blend it in with that orange, which these two make a great color, great combination. And then I'm going back to my Rainbow Eve Mad Black Girl. Here I go with that. I'm going to use my Rainbow eyeshadow palette here, and I'm going to apply that in the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to apply this white. Alright. I'm going to use my Tattoo Ruby Kisses liner. This is one of the best ones, you guys. It only costs $2.99. I read your comment, and what you mean, Mad Black Girl? What you mean by that? I don't have time for that negative energy. If that's what you want to bring, please leave. Hi, Kenzie. And I'm going to use my endpoint of my eyebrow as a guide. If you guys just coming on to my live on TikTok, please tap on that screen for me, please, and share my live. Also on YouTube, tap on that screen and share my live. I don't have all that time for negative energy. If you're not coming onto my live for positive energy, please just leave. Thank you so much. I don't have time for that negative energy. I really don't. Alright, guys. I'm going to use my favorite lashes, Emerald Mink, Josephine. This is the VIP01. You guys can find on Ivy Sites, ivyusa.com. I'm going to use my Super Stronghold 3D Lash Glue. I'm going to apply it around the rim of my lash. And this is how the lashes look. We're going to bend these lashes here. And then we're going to apply very close to my lash line. And I'm going to just use my fingers to press down to hold. I'm going to use my white, this pure white. And I'm going to apply it here once again. And then we're going to go back in with my Make Me Nude eyeshadow palette. And we're going to use Desire. I'm going to put like that towards the middle. And I'm going to use Excitement. And I'm going to use Crave. And then I'm going to use my Classic Tan foundation. Use my Classic Tan foundation. Spray, one of my favorites, the Prime Grip. Spray twice, 1, 2. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend out. Hi Layla. We look the same. How we look the same? I don't see a profile picture. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To mix that in there. Hello guys, welcome to my live on TikTok. Tap on that screen. Why y'all not tapping on that screen and you guys are just coming on? That's another person on here. Okay, go ahead and sing. I'm going to do some lip colors. I do. I do. I like them. Old enough. Old enough to be your big sister. And I'm just going to go around the lip, you guys. I'm just using that classic tan. If I'm catfish, I wouldn't be on here live. How would I be a catfish? I'm going to use my Pearl 1 blush. I'm going to do one on each side. That's why I'm coming on live, because I think everybody think I was catfish on all my platforms. So I am real. Thank you, thank you. I got this from a dollar store actually. They had a whole set. I think it was for $5. It looked like a piano. It was cute. I think I showed it way back when I got it. Probably last year. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. Well, hello, welcome to my channel from all the way from India. Hi. Okay, TikTok, this was the finished look. You guys gonna stay on. This is the finished look. I hope you guys did like it and enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my TikTok channel, my YouTube channel, my Instagram. All the links is in my bio to all my platforms. If you guys have any suggestions of me doing any different type of makeup looks, let me know. Direct message me, and or makeup hacks you guys would like for me to see. Thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you guys later, TikTok. Have a happy Wednesday. Bye.